You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this type of pasta, corkscrew pasta, it's also called. For more pasta names and Italian food names, stay tuned, there's tons to learn here. Cellentani. Cellentani. So the C is pronounced like CH because before an E, that's how you pronounce one single C. You have to stress on the double L because there's two L's and it matters in Italian. And then, yeah, a short R sound, a short N sound. Cellentani. Yeah, it's easy. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.